17 years is a long time, long enough to see how life changes you, and long enough to realize that some of the hardest seasons were quietly shaping who you would become. This morning, I'm sitting with the thought of time. 17 years. It's interesting how a number can hold so much life inside it. 17 years of learning, of growing, of seeing another person and seeing yourself in ways you never expected when everything first began. Marriage isn't a snapshot. It's a movement. Two people evolving over time, sometimes together, sometimes at different speeds, but still sharing the same road. And if I'm honest, some of those years were lived in survival mode, not because the marriage was broken, but because life itself can be demanding. Finances, family, work, responsibilities that ask more of you than you thought you'd give. But survival mode doesn't mean you're failing. Sometimes survival mode means you stayed. You kept showing up. You kept building. You kept moving forward, even when the path wasn't clear. This morning, I'm realizing that longevity isn't about perfection. It's about endurance. It's about honoring the seasons that shaped you and recognizing the quiet strength it took to move through them. 17 years carries laughter. It carries lessons. It carries moments that slowly restore parts of you and who you're becoming. So this morning, I'm simply acknowledging the time, acknowledging the growth, and honoring the journey that 17 years represents.